Hey guys, I'm Scott, and this is my channel, Skate Art by Scott. And I'm here to do another video for you. Subscribe to my channel and hit that old like button for me and help me out with doing my videos here. I would appreciate it. And now let's get right into it. I got a 16 by 20 here canvas, and I went ahead and painted it already. I got just a bluish gray color, blue, black, and white. Just mixed it, and because this particular painting, the paintings I've done in the past was made of the skies, where nice bright blue skies or sunsets or something like this, right? But today I'm going to do storm clouds. I'm going to do a nice little rainy, stormy day here, and I wanted to have this already painted to gray the scene down, because of course on rainy days it looks kind of gloomy, grayish, type color. So I went ahead and done this. This will gray the painting down for me. And and another thing, I do this in acrylics. I don't do it in oil because I'm in my little tin building out here in my yard. And the oil paint has such a strong smell, as some of you know. So for health reasons, I do acrylics while I'm out here, in my building. Acrylics, not that strong of a smell at all. It's perfectly fine. So let's get right to it. Again, 16 by 20. I'm gonna have some land way down here, about right here. On down will be my land. So I'm gonna have all this area up here to do my skies in. All right. So I'm gonna cut the camera off. I'll get ready. Be right back. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and moisten this up just a little, not too much now, not too much at all. You can always add more water, but if you put too much water, of course, it's going to run on you. All right, here we go. I just mixed me up some gray paint, black and white. We all know black and white makes gray, right? All right, here we go. We're going to come right up in here, and let's put in a nice little cloud. I'm just going to tap this one in here, something like so. Like that. Get my little nice little soft little blender brush here. I'm gonna go in like that. And if you want to tip the just very tip of it, put a little white up here, you can, of course. Just like that. Come out here with a little brush and just tap it. Try to make the clouds about as soft as you can. Don't leave no harsh edges to them. The clouds, they need to be nice and soft. All right, I got my two brushes going. One for the light color up here, and another one here for my darker color. I'm gonna come right here with some just plain old black, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit of black right in here. Remember, this is a storm cloud. Alright, get my little blender, blend that right in, but right below that. Okay. Now I got me some Prussian blue. I'm gonna put me a little bit of blue color right here. Something like that. Again. Just blend it. And you can come back in here just going back and forth. Put another little cloud right here. It don't matter how you put your cloud in, as long as it looks like a cloud. Don't use a definite shape. Don't use a circular. Just keep going around the circle. You'll have a circle cloud or a square. Don't use leave your clouds looking like there's a symmetrical shape to it. I don't know how I pronounced that word, but I did. So let's see here. Let's come back in here with some more black and just touch it here and there. Again, use some brush here. Alright, come back here, put some white right here. Alright, I want to keep going like this, guys, and all the way across, and then I'll be right back, okay? You got the idea, right? And that's the whole object of this, just give you, how to do it. Where you want your clouds at, no, that's up to you, alright? So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm done with my clouds up here. Nice big old fluffy old storm clouds. Now I'm going to come down here, just mix me up some paint right here, and just some black, white, and blue again. And now I'm going to put in this tree line. Now the tree line, I'm going to have it coming out here, get lower and lower and lower. And so it's going to almost come to like a V shape. So just all you need to do is just make tree shapes, not too much detail. Okay. There we go. Come over here, make it a little bigger. This right here just going to want just a slight hint of a tree line back here. And I'm going to put in some more distinct trees in front of that. Something like that. Alright. Be right back. Trying to shut off the camera here. It's not doing it. Alright, I got me some green paint on my brush here. I lighten it up with some yellow. I'm just going to put a nice little metal thing of grass right here. A little metal. Like that. Got me some yellow ochre. Put some of this yellow ochre in here. There. Right. Now I'm going to come back and give me some more color. I'm going to put in some darker trees right through there. Alright? Be right back. Alright guys, I went ahead and painted the bottom of this. Went ahead and did that. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in some tree trunks way back here. I just mixed in some black and brown on a brush here, on a flat brush. And I'm going to put in some tree trunks first. One here. One here. There's something there. There. Alright, let me be right back. Guys, I'm done with my tree trunks here. And notice I got some lower than some. I got some a little higher up. If you want to bring a tree closer, bring the tree trunk down further, okay? But I wanted these little staggered, some shorter, some more forward than others, back and forth, like that. And don't you put too much detail in the tree trunks here, okay? You want to, these trees way in the distance. Now I'm gonna come back with my sap green. I'm gonna start putting on some leaves on these trees. Like that there. That one. Alright. Now notice, guys, when you're putting your tree trunks and your leaves on your tree, notice I don't have my tree leaves down here because I put that green down here. You won't be able to tell, but because I got them above the horizon line, now I mean you can tell. All right, so keep that in mind when you're putting in this tree here. Try to keep it away from this green here. Because, you know, green on green, you don't got nothing. That tree. You know, some trees got a lot of leaves on them, some got a few. Let some of that sky show through your tree also. But also, you know, another thing is make sure this tree line that you put in, make sure you can see that. Don't color all that up, okay? It ain't there just for looks, it's there for purpose. Yeah, that's a nice big one there. Alright. I'm going to mix a little yellow ochre in this tree. Yeah, to give it a little flavor here. A little bit too green, too yellow, I mean. Bring that up a little. Yeah, there it goes. Alright, I want to continue on, guys. Alright, and I'll be right back. I told you this is the easy one, guys. Anyone could do this one here. Alright? Alright, guys, I'm done with my tree line here. Now, come down here at the bottom of the tree trunks and put in, just cover that up a little bit. Because, you know, it looks like that the tree trunk is laying right on top of the grass, and you don't want that. You want to be sitting inside the grass, kind of. So just come right down here and just do this little number. This could be plants or just grass or whatever. Shadow, whatever. You can even touch it up with just a little, add a little yellow ochre to that. Come right here. Something like this. I really want to do a good, easy painting for you. So that's why I just picked this little simple bottom part of this canvas. You know, the sky, I didn't want to make it too simple. You know, it's just clouds, just three colors, white, black, and blue. And that's all there is to it. And just layer one cloud in front of the other one. Alright, almost done with this one, guys, almost. Alright guys, my next thing I'm going to do now is I want, you know, all these storm clouds up here, I need to have some rain in this paint. I need to be raining. So I'm going to do that, but I need these trees to dry a little bit more. So while it's drying, I'd like to give you a little bit of information that today's date, back in 1932, I believe it was the first televised Major League Baseball game. Okay, think about that. Now I believe, I'm sure that Babe Ruth had retired before 1932 or just right at retirement. So that's a little tidbit information. Found that out this morning. That today's date, whatever today's date is, I can't remember what it is. But back in I believe it was 1932, first televised Major League Baseball game. All right, I'll be right back. All right, just mix me up some black and white and spread it out as thin as you can get, and just get a little flat brush and just tap it into that paint, and just come up here to your cloud at an angle and just real fast. Not too much. Like that. And there it is. You got a little rain. Nice little storm you see right here. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to call this one finished. Hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Come back and see me again. Hit that old subscribe button for me. Subscribe button. Like button. And subscribe to my channel for me. Again, I'm Scott, and this is my channel, Escape Art by Scott. Until next time, guys, you guys take care of yourselves. All right, we'll see you later.